Oh, we did?
I'm not sure. I thought I heard somebody say that.
Keep hitting balls. Yeah.
At least I got it outside, huh? That's it?
Good game?
That game?
Yeah, it's good.
Oh, good job, folks. Good job, man.
That damn stone cone. I'm watching. Yeah, it is not.
Hit the ball, guys. Good job. Jump back.
Perfect.
Good hitting, guys. Good hitting, guys. That game doesn't mean nothing.
This game does. That was like one of the hardest losses I've had.
What? Like as a Frank?
No, just because.
The way the game evolved and everything?
No, just you know, we were ready for the tournament. You know, we were ready, and you know, I don't know. It's just a hard loss. You know? I mean,
Well, I wasn't even playing until Wednesday.
oh, don't say that.
Yeah, Juice. I guess his dad got sick.
Juice was supposed to play that.
Yeah, Juice was supposed to play with them.
Oh wow.
And he picked, it was supposed to be Juice and Dan Kukuris. He's from San Diego. Well, he's in Louisiana now.
Yeah.
Dan, Juice, and Frank was supposed to be the team.
Oh, geez.
So Dan
I think
couldn't
we
make
got the
it, so he
book on
picked up
this one.
Scott like a couple weeks ago.
That's a good play.
And then he called me on Wednesday. Hey, Juice failed. Can you play?
What's happening?
And I was like, dude,
Is the tournament started yet?
if you can't find nobody, I'll play. Like, dude, I can't find nobody. All right, I'll play.
How old are you?